In this video, we're going to look at biblical scriptures and see why in the world do people get upset and angry when lives are being saved and good things are happening for others. That answer coming right up. Let's go. Hey, what's up, friends? Welcome to Bible Stories My Dad Told Me. My name is Luis Feliz, and I am that dad. Let's go ahead and get started. Let me set the context of what's happening in the story. So right now, Jesus is having a conversation. Well, actually, not really a conversation. He's challenging the Pharisees on their views regarding the Sabbath, and he's about to heal a man on the Sabbath. Let's pick it up. Luke 6, verse 10, and he says, "He looked around at them one by one, and then said to the man, 'Hold out your hand.' So the man held out his hand, and it was restored." At this, the enemies of Jesus were wild with rage and began to discuss what to do with him. Now, my friends, I need you to pay close attention because this is such a great example of what happens when we allow ourselves to be dominated by our desires for power, pleasure, and control. These guys were so blinded that they were unable to celebrate somebody getting healed. When our intellect is not spiritualized, we are unable to perceive true values and even God's handiwork, even if it happens right in front of us. These guys had this miracle happening right in front of them. Now, I want to tell you that nobody's immune to this. We are all vulnerable to this blindness. It's happening right now in 2021. For example, if you take the topic of abortion, there's a group of people that wants to save lives, and there's another group of people that's enraged and upset and angry because they feel they're going to lose power and control. It's happening with our environment. There's a group of people that wants to protect our planet and the resources. Another group of people that wants to exploit it for money and gain. Also happening in human trafficking. A group of people wants to save lives and protect it. And another group that wants to stop at nothing until they achieve and attain power and pleasure. Now, this is happening today in 2021. This is just the price we pay when we are not able to harmonize our mind and spirit. We are unable to perceive the reality we're living in. Thankfully for all of us, Jesus came to show us the way to harmonize our mind and spirit. Check this out. This is what happens when we trust in Him. We learn how to change how we think. We learn to accept correction. Then we slowly evolve from a pleasure-seeking animal to a truth-seeking being. And that is a transition worthy of pursuing. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video. God bless you. Peace out. Bye.